Hello friends, I would like to show you how to measure engine oil level. So to do that, first you're gonna need to put your bike on a central stand, then turn it on, let it idle for like 5 minutes, then switch it off, and then wait for a couple minutes. I already did that, so we can start to measure. This is where you measure your oil. You unscrew this bolt, but just be careful, engine is hot. Now you're gonna need to clean it. And here is where you measure your engine oil. This is gonna be on the bottom, gonna be low, and this is a full. But now it's important thing, when you measure oil, you don't need to screw it in, you just need to place like this, and that's it. Now let's see. Yeah, see, I have up to here, so I have a full oil. So that's it, basically you just screw it in and you are done.